So today is move-in day. Tyler and I are driving down from Northern California, where I'm from. Okay, I need to get some boxes. Could always get some more. Okay, we're gonna get 5 large boxes, 4 medium boxes, and 5 small boxes. We're just gonna get 5 of each because it's easier that way. Small. It's 7 a.m. We are on the way to LA. I think we have like 2 stops to charge the car, but the car is like hella packed.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. Usually doesn't.
We're in the middle of nowhere, but we had to stop. And now we're going to the first charging station. We were stuck in traffic for so long. I'm so excited and nervous. We have about 4 more hours, I think. We're currently charging my car. We tried to pack my car like to the most that we can. I think we packed it very well. So I honestly just brought the things that I really want first. Pretty much moving in slowly. You got McDonald's. What'd you get? Nuggies. Nice.
Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but
Yay! Got the keys. We made it.
Finally here.
Let's do a quick tour. The kitchen.
Pretty echoey.
Yeah. So nice. And then this is like the laundry washer right here. Over here is the bathroom. Some nice shelves. This is my favorite. This is the walk-in closet. This is my shower bathtub. This is my favorite part. It's the mirror and like the super big sink with this huge drawer. Lighting is amazing, and then it just kind of goes back over here. The lighting is so good. And I'm using this super cute keychain I got from Rem Beauty. It's like a little hotel keychain. And this is my nail key. I've been saving this keychain. I'm gonna do the little trend that goes like this, and then we got Chipotle, and Tyler put beans on my bowl. I don't like beans. Just brought everything in the apartment. Right now he is trying out the gym, which I'm sure he loves. My eyes are so red. I'm just super tired. Like, they're so dry and they're so red. Desk, and then this mirror that I got a few years ago, and she always comes with me. She's beautiful. That's my little vanity LED mirror. And then we come over here. I have some tote bags, this box, another box like makeup. I'm gonna start sorting this out.
I've been thinking about you. You know, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about this? Do you?
Got pizza, hot dogs.
Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
Oh, hi vlog.
I just got a few packages from Amazon, and we're gonna open them, and then I'm gonna start the dishwasher because I got a bunch of cookware, dinnerware items, utensils, and all that stuff. The handle, you can remove it and transfer it to other one. Thank you, pull it. And then you just go like that, and then you click this. Take it off. Bamboo drawer dividers because my drawers are very deep. And I got a paper towel holder. It's pretty nice. I think she's kind of sturdy. And I got a big cutting board. You can also use this for charcuterie boards, but I think she's super cute. Yay, she's up. It looks so nice. So we just went to Marshall's and I got this bath runner. It's a bath mat runner because I just needed something to use because I haven't gotten anything really for the bathroom yet. And then just a couple towels that I found. They're so soft. They're just like these white towels, which is needed because I don't have anything. So I just got this bath runner from Marshalls and I'm testing it out right now. I think it looks really good. So I'm gonna probably throw her in the washer. I like this one because it's long and my bathroom is pretty wide and like very, very open. I have a lot of space in here. I have a lot of room. So I think I'm gonna put this one right here. I think it's gonna look really good. I'm gonna wash the comforter.
No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho.
Okay, little update. I am still getting settled in my new place. I'm really excited. It's starting to come together. Tyler actually is staying tonight at his parents' house. We basically went to IKEA today together in my car, and I told him I think that I'm gonna stay here. So it's my first time staying here tonight. I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm just having my leftover Chipotle that we got earlier. I have like no groceries yet, no food, nothing. So, you know, moving in is such a process. Like, it's pretty crazy, but I think everything is kind of starting to come together, so I'm really excited. It is 10 p.m. I am pretty tired, but I think I'm just gonna keep going until I'm sleepy and I'm gonna go to bed. I am currently waiting for a mattress, a bed frame, couch, and coffee table, and I'm actually gonna get those for free. I am working with a couple brands, which I'm really, really excited for.
Think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. No, I've been thinking about you.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I survived my first night in the new apartment by myself, feeling pretty good. Really, really happy. Woke up grateful. I'm kind of tired because I only slept for 6 hours. I did sleep really late last night, but that's because I was trying to work around the apartment still as long as I could. Ooh, it feels nice. Today we are just gonna keep going and organize everything. I currently am working on the kitchen. I think the kitchen is gonna be finished first just because I have mostly everything I need for the kitchen. Furniture wise, as you can tell from my videos last night, I do have a mattress. The couch and coffee table are coming in 2 days, I believe, so I'm super excited for them. And then I think my bed stuff maybe will come next week. I'm not really sure, but you know, I don't really mind waiting because I do have a temporary mattress and I'm totally fine sleeping on it. Honestly, for some reason, I feel like I love sleeping closer to the ground. I don't know, that's just me. So this is the mattress and I washed the bed sheets last night, so they're very clean. Right now, this is what my room looks like. I have no idea where I want to put this vanity. So long story short, this is actually my sister's, but I left my original vanity at home with her. She really wanted it and it was just a little too hard to disassemble and fit in my car, so I ended up switching with her. So I took this one. It's still very cute, but I feel like it's so awkward. Like, I don't know where to put it exactly, but this is a space I'm working with. 2 extra pillows right here. I don't have pillowcases for them yet. Tyler is going to finish my dresser today, and then I will be putting this mirror I have. This is my favorite mirror. It's from Anthropologie. I've had her for about 3 years now, and she's still perfect, but this is the 3-foot gold mirror from Anthropologie. I will be putting this on top of the dresser. It's pretty similar with my previous layout in my room at my parents' house, but that's just like the way I like it. Everything's all over the place, don't know how I want to organize it yet. My drawer is very deep, so I need to figure out how to organize it. And so I think today I do have to grab a shower curtain and liner and hooks. And this is my favorite part too of this apartment, the little shelves in the bathroom. The lighting under this kitchen is my absolute favorite. Yeah, this is an update right now. It's really messy. So yeah, it's still very messy, but again, it's hard moving in. I'm not rushing at all. I want to take it slow and just appreciate every single thing that we're doing in here. It's currently 9 o'clock. I also have to film some campaigns that are due, so I'm gonna work on those. I'll update you guys in a little bit. So I just had breakfast. I ate oatmeal, but right now I'm actually gonna head up to the rooftop and I need to film a quick campaign. I have some other clips that I need to finish. I am going to the mailroom to pick up my utensils. They just actually got delivered this morning, so I'm gonna pick those up. I got my keys. My bath mat runner is still running in the dryer, so I'm just gonna try to get this campaign done. I feel like I need my tripod. Okay guys, I made it to the rooftop. I totally forgot that one of the elevators is out of service, so I had to kind of like play around the building. I just got my package from the mailroom. I'm gonna go back to my apartment now.
Ooh, no, I've been thinking about you. No.
Okay, snack break. The cheesy crackers. They're so good. They're also plant-based. I'm gonna start out with organizing my kitchen, and I have this Gorilla Grip kitchen liner.
I've been thinking about you. Do you think about this? Do you not think so far?
So this is what it looks like.
Cause I've been thinking about forever.
Oh, she's like actually so perfect. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks really good. So this next box I'm opening is also an organizer. I got the white one just because my cabinets are already wood. I hate reading instructions. Like, I am gonna figure it out just fine.
Do you not think so far?
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Forever.
Next up, I got this white pot organizer.
Yes, of course. I remember, how could I forget how you feel?
So this is what it looks like right now. I actually really love it. It looks really good. I just opened my new glasses. I got some ribbed glasses.
Remember, how could I forget how you
Utensils. Is pretty. This spoon, the handle is very thick. Some new plates and bowls. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like how it did in the photos, so I will be returning them. Don't really like how it looks in person. It is really nice though. It just looks like there's yellow marks on it. I wish it was fully ribbed.
feel. Know you were my first time.
Guys, I just had the most insane anxiety. I was just at Target, right? Well, guess what? We checked out and drove back to the apartment, and I realized that I didn't have my freaking camera with me. So we rushed back to Target, literally ran inside. I went straight to guest services and I was like, oh my gosh, do you guys have a lost and found? And they were like, yes. Did you just lose? And I'm like, yes, my DJI camera. Thank God they had it. I am so grateful that they have it because it was pretty busy, and at that point I didn't even care about the camera. I just cared about my footage because I have so many clips here, and oh my gosh, I'm just so grateful that I have this camera back with me. That is like the first time I left something of mine, like device wise. I'm gonna put my shower liner and the shower hooks I got in black. And I have a shower liner now. Good morning. It is the next day. We just got breakfast and then had the internet set up, so I finally have Wi-Fi, but we're gonna go up to the rooftop and get some work done while we eat. So
a tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no.
Trying to set up my water filter, and I just washed the tank, and then this is like the little water pump filter. The water tank in, and I think it goes like this. Yeah. Oh, she's heavy. Okay. Let's filter out all the water, but I think you just press it. Okay. Ew. It's pretty dusty, look.
Yeah, that's like all the dust from the filter.
Yeah.
Back.
Stretch. It's almost done. Oh, it looks so good.
Most 10-year-olds are likely in fifth grade right now.
Yeah, it should slant. Hey, my dresser is up and the mirror is so pretty. It looks so good. Yay. I'm obsessed. It looks so good. Now I can decorate stuff in here, and I'm also gonna put clothes in the drawers. It looks so good. So I think I'm getting the couch tomorrow. I'm really excited. A cloud couch that I really love, and then also a coffee table.
I've been thinking about you, you know, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh.
Guys, so I just got home and Tyler went back to his house. I will be alone in my apartment tonight. We just did a cookie class. It was Tyler's mom's birthday, so that's what she wanted to do for her birthday. She also does cookies on the side and she absolutely loves them. It is so freaking cute. This is the outcome. I accidentally airbrushed too much of this gingham. I wish I did it very lightly, but I couldn't tell how it was with the airbrush, but it's still very cute. I think this one is my favorite one, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It is 10 p.m. and I'm honestly gonna spend the next 2 hours just organizing as much as I can. I'm going to clear this hallway and the living room area because I'm getting my couch tomorrow morning and I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to show you the couch. I can't wait to see it in person. I really hope that it looks good, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. I also got a rug, so I will be laying it flat here. I'm gonna get it ready tomorrow before the couch and coffee table comes so that it's ready for it. But I'm so excited to unbox it. Like I love unboxing furniture, and yeah, I'm so excited. But yeah, I'll see you guys.